Hello guys, welcome to the Thrifty Tabby. My name is Krish and this is my accountability partner Tabby. We gathered here today to cash stuff the remaining amount for April 2024 to our family budget and as well as the bills. There is no much money left. We also have some coins and money to put towards the challenges, and we will see how that will go today. So to wrap up this video today, we will be doing some additional stuffing, not very much, but without further ado, I will start from the bill. So as you guys know, this binder is divided by months. Every single time I am actually finishing the month with the expenses, and I am not doing any more I am not paying any more bills. I will take out the month that is already behind us. I will move it to the back, and this way if we have any money left over, we can have some additional savings. So this is a saving challenge itself. But what I decided to do and adjust it a little bit, I will try to snowball these bills and fill those fully. So for April, we will be stuffing, and let me just unzip this envelope for the first time. Okay, we will be stuffing 800 as usually. So 800 PLN, 1, 2, 3, 4 200s will go in April. With my little tracker behind. So 800 is filled up with April. So if we have bills in April, we will be able to actually pay them from this envelope. But we started to do this binder in November 2023. So let me see how much money we saved from November 23. I will take out the 5 and I will add it to the savings. So it's only going to be paper bills. So we have 350 from, wait, I can't, okay, 350 from November. Let me put that money aside for a second and we will see, oh, well, actually I should do it the other way around, right? And we will see how much we can collect from all of the envelopes and snowball them a little bit. So we will be stuffing November. From December 2023, we have gathered 2, 20, 40, 60, and 100. So 160. Okay, so I need to move that a little bit. Or even further, because we will have a 10. Okay. So look how much money we gathered for the bills. We don't have much in January because, well, in Poland, bills in winter are really high, so I have a 10 from January. Nothing from February because, well, and I actually took money from January to overpay the February bills. Okay, so we have 2 behind here, and that is a 20, 100, and 220 and 320. So that's quite a lot of money that we have left off. So I was thinking about what to do with that and what I'm going to do. And I actually thought that I can either snowball the bills and make sure that every envelope has 800. And so that's for the future bills. Or what I can do is I can actually make sure that I can fill the challenges with this money. But I decided to stick to the first plan, so we will be stuffing November with 800. 2, 3, 400, 500, 6, 7, 750, 790, and 10. So as you guys see, The November 2024 bills are here, fully stuffed. And now we will be stuffing for December. So the leftover money, I sorry if you hear weird noise behind, it's my cat zooming around. So we have 40, and we will be stuffing the remaining money till December 2023 to make sure we have 800. And if anything bad happens, I can always take this money back, but we need to make sure that we can pay as many bills ahead as possible. So we have, till the end of this year, we have full binder with bills for the future expenses. So that would be all for this binder. And we will snowball this as much as we can. And now let me take the remaining money to this binder. And this is, the last category is dining out. So 200, 300 is what I'm going to put towards this category. I know it's not much, but we already spent so much in this category, and I've used the grocery money for eating out and other stuff. So 300 is what is left, and I will move it directly to my wallet right now. But as I mentioned, majority of the money we already spent, and we took it from the grocery budget because we didn't spend much on groceries this month. But as I mentioned, I'm not supposed to close it. We had quite a lot of spendings in this category. So now we will be stuffing the challenge. So I wanted to see how much we have already. So let me take the challenge out, and apologies for that. Okay, so there is 410. And how many coins? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 coins. I would actually like to exchange that. So I'll take the 10 from here. And I will put it here. So we already put two in savings because it was 8, so we have 2. And 100, so 102 is what we are going to stuff. So let me find a golden marker or a silver one. Okay, I have a silver. So 102. So 102 minus 97 is 5. So we are coloring 97 and we are coloring 5. All right. So this is our 5K challenge. Not much, but it is what it is, and I'm hoping that we will be able to stuff a little bit more next month. So that's how it goes. And now let's take the remaining money and put it towards the challenges. So this is the challenges binder. So the first one is 2 PLN challenge. Let me find 2 PLNs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of those goes in. And let me color them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. We have 6 to PLN done. Now let's go with the 5s. One, 2, 3, different marker to cross that off. I think this one will do. So 1, 2, 3. And now we need a 10 in a travel binder. Let's see if we have a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to exchange that for the paper bill, so just give me a second. So we have a 10. I have taken the 10 from our spending, and I will just use it throughout the week. Just the coins in stores, and if I'm washing the car or something like that. But yeah, I would rather have a 20 here and not destroy the envelope. Okay, so it's a tenner. And for Christmas, we also supposed to have a 10, but I don't think we actually do. But just let me take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, well, 7, 8. Close, but not enough. So we need a 10 for Christmas, and we need a 10 for the pet challenge. So let me see if we can take this money from somewhere. If we have a 10 in transport, no. In pets, no. Health, no. No, nothing here. Gifts, nothing here. I only have big money everywhere. So I'm going to take this money from dining out and spending because the challenges are more important for me. So I will take 50 from dining out. And I will exchange that. Just give me a second. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. That I'm going to be taking from dining out. Well, not 50. I will take 10 here for the Christmas. And I'm looking for a green marker. But it's nowhere to be seen for some reason. Oh, it's here, sorry. Okay, so I'm taking the green marker and I'm going to color 1 tree. And now my animal pets challenge, I'm also going to put a 10 in there. So here it's colored. You can't see it very well, but it actually is colored. Okay, so this is it. And the remaining 30 goes back to dining out. I don't actually think we're going to use all of this cash, but we'll see. We still have quite a lot of money on our bank account. Okay, so the remaining coins and all of this stuff we have here is going to be eaten by Tabby. So good for you, Tabby. You will almost get 1, 2. I think she's getting really full. And I think like half of her is already filled. So I will be depositing this money to the bank account or exchanging it as quickly as possible. Okay. all clear. All right, my guys, my friends, and everybody who's watching, thank you very much for spending your time with me and Tabby on budgeting for April 2024. It was quite chaotic, and I think all of my videos are at some point, but I'm just, it's a thinking process and it is a learning process. So it takes quite a while for me to get a hold of some stuff. But with only 4 binders, it doesn't seem much complicated. But we actually divide those pays, and my husband gives me some parts in cash and some he transfers to my bank account, and then I got everything paid in one account and I need to transfer it to another one. And I'm looking towards finding a simpler ways to do this, and I have some ideas in my mind, but it's not so easy and quickly. So guys, I will see how it goes in the future. So thank you very much once again for your time and hanging out with me, and I hope that the next time is going to be a little bit more organized. But for now, have a good day and I see you next time. Bye.